wind's pulling me the whole other direction. Well, hey squad, we're back fishing again. It's Tuesday night. Well, Tuesday evening, let me rephrase. Hearing a lot of sketchy critter noises over here too. Why is the wind bringing me backwards? Hold on. Gotta back up a tad. Oh, I'm still backing up, am I? Yep. The wind wants to take me this way. Hold on. Not as close to it as I wanted it to be, but it's okay. There's like a fallen tree over here that we're trying to fish right now. I think my husband's onto something. Everyone watching needs to like this video, comment some good vibes, and subscribe to the channel. Hey, can you get away from me?
Sure thing.
Oh, that was supposed to hit you. I need to sneeze again. I've been sneezing McGee all day. All I want to do is eat my snacks already. We're gonna ski-daddle along closer to trails. Yeah. I can't tell. Whoa! You're right. Okay, stay right here.
I got more worms.
How do you put this one on?
What do you
This
mean?
side goes in here? Ow!
You just stab yourself.
Yes, I did. Oh, I had the GoPro going. Okay. Whoa, Travis! Holy shit! You just threw your fucking fishing pole!
Destiny Kayak.
Last one 2 feet away is a rotten egg. Oh, you're a rotten egg! Stinky! Stinky! Whoa! Y'all see that? He's trying to splash me. Huh? Squad! You missed all the action, but I got a fish! I wasn't recording, I just recorded just now.
God, I swear it's real.
Whoa! Chill out, fish. Hold on, I gotta grab this thing, guys. Okay. Okay, now I gotta pull up my phone. Obligatory selfie first. Proof of caught. Hold on. Thanks, squad. Okay, number 1 on my list of names. Hold on. This is, I think it's Sarai, yeah. AKA Saratoga, AKA one of our good friends. Now let's wait her. Maybe. I'm making this fish mad, I can tell. Okay. $1.58.
There we go.
Alright. Alright, Sarai. I wish you farewell. Let's see. Ooh! Nice!
Finally, the spell is broken.
A fish has been caught. I'm so hyped.
I don't even gotta catch fish.
No, you gotta catch fish.
Don't get me wrong, I wouldn't. I'm not telling the fish don't.
I am so hyped.
Do you remember where you caught him at it all? Or no?
Like right there. In front of that tiny little stump. Yes, guys. Okay, you saw none of the action, so I'm sorry about that, but I'm just real hyped I caught a fish. That means this vlog wasn't a failure, like I was thinking it might have been. So that's super fun. This was the redemption arc. I finally have something to post on Fishbrain now. Sorry I haven't recorded much this time. Not much has happened. We stopped at this little spot that we like to stop at, and we ate some snacks that I packed. Hung out. Relaxed for a moment. Now we're back to fishing, and I caught a fish.
It's funny how you can go so many fishing trips without catching a fish. So the first time you do catch a fish again, you're like, oh, there's that feeling.
Yep. It all makes sense again.
Got one.
Nice!
Little guy.
Hold on. Let me get up close to you. Oh, he's bloody. What'd you do to him?
Choked it. Oh, little guy, why'd you do that?
Oh no. Murderer caught on camera.
Don't do that to me. Oh, little guy, let it go.
Oh, well, we're gonna let Travis deal with that. Moral of the story is the fish gets away scot-free. Okay, squad. I needed to show y'all the earrings of the day. My little frogs on a lily pad. And my nails. I did them the other night. We just saw an alligator. I was wondering when we'd see one up close, because we always do. Alright, squad. Unless I catch one more fish on our way back to where we launched, this was the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching both of us catch fish this time, so cheers to us. And the crowd get wild. But thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. More content. Yeah, thanks for hanging out. It was fun. Hook, line, and Berryhill. Signing out.